Alright, be right back, guys. Be right back.
I'm gonna delete this video of you swinging on my head. Come on, we gotta go.
Go! Go! Vending machine! Vending machine! Vending machine! Vending machine! We going. We going. We going. Add my $1. Go on vending machine. Got your $1. Let's go. And downstairs. Let's go. We got it. We got it. We make it. We made it to the vending machine.
Hey guys.
What are we gonna get?
I'm getting a 5. So much delight.
Stop! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Ooh, shockers! Bye, Sarah.
Oh, I remember Shockers. Remember that?
That's a Becca. No, I like Junior Mints. Junior Mints are more comfortable, baby. Come on, come on. I want to get Shockers too for later.
What should I get? What should I get? What
You
should
want
I get?
Junior Mints so you can give them to
I don't
me.
like Junior Mints. What should I get? I want Doritos.
Hurry up.
Okay,
No.
wait.
I'm getting Shockers right after school. They might be all gone. That's what it is now.
Oh, whatever.
Does anybody want to give me 75 cents?
If I had it, I would, you know, but ow, I don't. Okay, signing off. After Jill gets their extra Shockers, or, you know, stopping this little video.